to everyone. I mean, what would you say has kind of been the highlight of your last year, and what's kind of been the biggest challenge?
I think certainly the highlight has been our recent move to our 10,000 square foot warehouse. That was, I think for me, that was a big swap from where we was to move to that. So obviously it's a long-term thing, the prep industry. That's our biggest achievement so far, and I suppose in a way, having, from what I've seen, little negative reviews, things like this. So to me, that means also that we're moving in the right direction and sort of building gradually.
Personally, I think kind of running a business, it's been, as the business has grown, we've now split into departments. So it's been way more kind of managing departments in the business. So finance, issue resolution is a big one that I love that we now have in. So kind of having a dedicated issue team to be making sure that if someone does have an issue or they have a question, they're just getting kind of that real close communication to make them feel like they're just a bit more in control of their business. In terms of challenges, obviously it doesn't come without challenges. Scaling at a rate for us probably that doesn't kind of affect our existing client base has always been something that we're unbelievably kind of watching. It's kind of why we've scaled from a 100 to a 200 to a 400 to a 1,200, and like slowly with increments going up.
It ultimately comes down to two things that I think about that I'm really proud of. Is number one is the partners that we have the chance to work with, being able to support them with the milestones and the goals that they have. We have, over the last 24 months, really started to try mature in our teams. We've got different departments, business development, we've got different hierarchies and structures in terms of team leaders, team managers. We've got our customer support. We have just really maturing the systems and the teams that we have at this moment in time. We moved into this warehouse that we're in right now, 10,000 square foot warehouse, in the June/July of 2020. It was in the middle of the pandemic, which was a real difficult process.
Highlights of being here. As I said, I am very different to some of you guys. We're very niche in who and what we do. And I work very closely with a lot of the people that we do have, because my background is very different. I'm an ex-journalist, so writing stuff, the marketing side, the whatever, and just actually seeing the light bulb go on. So instead of just giving them a space to send stuff because they need to harness their time better, I teach them what actually works and how they can work out, you know, how to grow their business and what sells. And it saves them an absolute fortune. And a lot of the ideas that I've given to the clients, the big brand who launched in the UK, one of their biggest products that they sold thousands and thousands of pounds of every week was because I said to them, well, have you looked at this?